Hello, I am Joan Gumabon. I am here in front to perform the disassembling. But first, I will inform what I will define it first. Computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. Monitor. Monitor is display information in visual form using text and graphics. System unit. System unit is the case to control and contains all of the main parts of a computer. Then the mouse is the always allows the user to interact with and manipulate items on the computer system. Then mousepad, a pad wherein the mouse takes place. Keyboard. Keyboard is the seat of the typewriter case that enables the user to enter data into a computer. Then AVR. AVR is this is automatic voltage regulator, input that regulates current to the computer. This is connect to the AVR. Then this is a PS2 port for the mouse. This is PS2 port for the keyboard. This is serial port, parallel port, VGA port, USB port. Then this is a RG45 LAN port. Then this is connect to the microphone. Then this is connect to the speaker cable. Then this is connect for the input cable. This is, I will use this. This is a long nose plier, a long nose. Then this is a guitar screw. Then this is a brush. Phillips screwdriver. Then first, I will paste stand, then push it, turn it, then push, then pull, put it down. Then I will get the cover. First, I will get the power supply. Then I will get the disconnect all the cables. I will disconnect all the cables slowly so that no one can be damaged. I will get the ID cable, then all the cables that connect. We should slowly get the cables. Okay, now the cables is disconnect. Then I will get the power supply. First, I will get the screws. I will slowly get the power supply. Then I will remove the hard disk drive. But first I will get the screw. Then slowly get the hard disk drive. Then the hard disk drive is the optical drive. slowly get the optical drive, the screws. Push it, then you get. Then I will get the network interface card. First, I will get the screws. Then get the network interface card. This is how to get the network interface card. Then I will get the random access memory. This is how to get the random access memory. Hold it side by side. Then I will get the motherboard. Slowly get the screws. This is how to get the screws. Then I will get the motherboard slowly so that get the motherboard.